In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to select Stripe as your payment provider, so you can start accepting card payments with confidence. First, head to your Shopify admin home. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage payments. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the correct one before you continue. From the home dashboard, we'll move into the settings area where payment options live. Open Settings. You'll find this in the lower corner of your admin. Settings is where Shopify keeps store-wide controls, and payments are centralized there so you don't have to hunt through different menus later. Inside Settings, choose Payments. This page is the hub for adding, editing, or replacing payment gateways. You'll see sections for Shopify's own solution and for external providers. If Shopify Payments is enabled in your region, it appears here. If you're using a third-party gateway like Stripe, this is also where you set it up. Next, select Choose a Provider. This opens Shopify's directory of supported third-party payment providers for your region. It's helpful because the list is filtered based on your store's country, which avoids choosing an option that won't work for you. Use the search field and type Stripe. The results will narrow right away. If Stripe is available for your location, you'll see it appear as Stripe Card Payments. If you don't see it, check that your store's country and business type are supported and confirm you're looking under third-party providers rather than alternative payment methods. Click Stripe Card Payments. This takes you to the Stripe provider page inside Shopify, where you'll be guided through the on-screen prompts to finish the connection. At this stage, you'll typically confirm your business details, align your payout currency with your Shopify store currency, and make sure your Stripe account is ready for live transactions. If you're planning to run test orders first, ensure test mode is set appropriately in your Stripe account before you go live. Also, review transaction fees and supported card brands so your checkout expectations match what customers will see. That's the full navigation path, from Shopify Home, into Settings, into Payments, choosing a provider, searching for Stripe, and selecting Stripe Card Payments so you can complete the setup. If Stripe doesn't appear, verify your user permissions, confirm your store's country settings, and make sure no conflicting gateway is already locked in. Once you finish the prompts on the Stripe page, your store will be ready to accept card payments through Stripe.